Enterprise Quality Management Software, 9 Factors to Consider. In this blog, we'll explore 9 essential factors to think about before getting an enterprise quality management software. These considerations apply to everyone, no matter your industry, location, or product. Before we begin, let's clarify who this article is for. Audience. Size: businesses classified as enterprise, with annual revenue exceeding $1 billion. Department: departments involved in operations or IT, focusing on quality management or compliance. Objective: acquiring an enterprise quality management software. Motivation: enhancing product quality and customer satisfaction, maintaining compliance with relevant standards, obtaining certification, and minimizing the risk of fines or penalties. We'll also list the points in ascending order of priority, helping you determine the level at which you should consider adopting an enterprise quality management software. Today, we'll cover the following key points. Enterprise quality management software factors. 1. Compliance to relevant regulatory requirements. 2. Data security and privacy. 3. Integration capabilities. 4. UI, UX. 5. Support, training, and onboarding. 6. Pricing, one-time and ongoing. 7. Recognition, awards, feedback, and reputation. 8. Industry expertise. 9. Continuous improvement. Logic for all these points. Points 1 and 2 are crucial factors to consider before making a decision. Points 3, 4, and 5 will indicate how user-friendly the system is for getting started. Point 6 will justify the software's cost and provide strategies for persuading executives or procurement. Points 7 and 8 offer a general overview of the company and the software, including how they're assessed and the industry knowledge required. Finally, point 10 outlines what to expect from the system in the future. Now let's get started. 1. Compliance to relevant regulatory requirements. As an enterprise, making the right choice is crucial, especially when selecting enterprise quality management software. You need software that simplifies your life by ensuring your processes meet regulatory requirements. What does that mean exactly? Let's break it down with examples. Imagine you're a manufacturing company and ISO 9001 compliance is a priority. You'd want a software that meets ISO 9001 standards. But what does that entail? It means the software will have features and functions to track metrics and provide everything you need during audits or certification processes. Let's take a specific example, ISO 9001 subclause 7.5.3, which deals with documented information. Question: is documented information controlled? Answer: yes, Isolocity includes a full-fledged document management system that handles controlled document information across all levels. Question: is it available and suitable for use, where and when it is needed? Answer: yes, since Isolocity's document management software operates in the cloud, any document can be accessed from anywhere as long as users have access permissions. Additionally, because each document undergoes a standard approval process, stakeholders can always be confident they're using the correct and approved document. Question: is it adequately protected, e.g. from loss of confidentiality, improper use, or loss of integrity? Answer: yes, every document undergoes a 4-stage approval process, and only software users with the appropriate access can access the documents. Question: for the control of documented information, does the organization address the following activities as applicable? A. Distribution, access, retrieval, and use? Answer: yes, sharing any document within the software with other users is simple, and access can be granted or removed as needed. Additionally, control over document usage is possible. Moreover, opening a document leaves a trace in the audit trail. B. Storage and preservation, including preservation of legibility? Answer: yes, all documents are stored electronically, ensuring protection from physical damage. Additionally, all documents have backup copies, safeguarding them from potential damage in the cloud. C. Control of changes, e.g. version control? Answer: yes, the 4-stage approval process is automatically managed. The software also indicates the current stage of each document, ensuring users know whether they are using an approved document or an older version. D. Retention and disposition? Answer: yes, each document includes a revision date. After this date, the owner can decide whether to continue using the document or mark it as expired based on certain factors. Like this example of a subclause, ISO 9001 has numerous clauses and subclauses. Isolocity's enterprise quality management software is created with these in mind, aiming to simplify your life by automating many tasks. That's why we also refer to ourselves as automated quality management software, as we streamline many processes for you. Here's a list of standards and regulations that we help you comply with. Aerospace. AS 9100D, AS 9110C, ISO 9001, IGAR, and CGP. Automotive. IATF 16949:2016, AS 9100D, and ISO 9001. Cannabis. GMP validated, ISO 9001. Cosmetics. ISO 22716:2007, ISO 9001, and GMP. Food safety. SQF, BRCGS, IFS, FSSC 22000, HACCP, and ISO 9001. Health and safety. ISO 45001:2018 and OSHA. Life science. ISO 13485, MDSAB, GMP, FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and Annex 11. Manufacturing. ISO 9001, GMP, FDA 21 CFR Part 11, and PIC/S Annex 11. Testing labs. GLP, ISO 15189, ISO 17025, and ISO 9001. Vape. ISO 9001 and GMP. 2. Data security and privacy. For enterprise clients, data security and privacy are paramount due to the large volume of sensitive business data involved. Here are some key data security measures we take pride in. ISO 27001 compliance. Our adherence to ISO 27001 ensures robust security measures and controls to safeguard sensitive data, supporting organizations in maintaining their information security management systems. In-house coding. Our software is coded entirely in-house, meaning we own every line of code. This makes it extremely difficult for external parties to breach the software's security protocol. AWS partnership. We are partners with AWS, a leading player in hosting and cloud computing known for its safety and maturity in the field. Other compliance standards. We are compliant with SOC 2 and GDPR regulations, further solidifying Isolocity as one of the safest and most secure enterprise quality management software solutions available. 3. Integration capabilities of enterprise quality management software. For enterprises, it's likely that you're already using various small and large systems and software. You'll want the new enterprise quality management software to integrate smoothly with these existing systems for seamless data transfer.
Microsoft Azure, SharePoint and OneDrive. When it comes to document collaboration and file transfer, Microsoft SharePoint and OneDrive are leading the market with the highest market share. Many enterprises rely on Microsoft Azure, SharePoint, or OneDrive. Therefore, for document control and compliance, which is crucial for most regulations and standards, it's vital that the compliance toolkit can communicate with SharePoint and OneDrive. For example, Isolocity software is integrated with SharePoint and OneDrive. This means that if you need to add a document to your document management system within Isolocity QMS, instead of going through the process of downloading and uploading files back and forth, you can simply sync your SharePoint or OneDrive account and select the document from there. Check out our integration guide to learn more. OneDrive and SharePoint integration.
Shopify. Contrary to common belief, many enterprises utilize Shopify as their B2C and B2B e-commerce platform. Shopify even offers a dedicated enterprise program for such companies. If you're using Shopify and considering an enterprise quality management software, life becomes much simpler if they can communicate with each other. Isolocity offers a dedicated integration for this purpose. However, if you opt for any other enterprise quality management software, ensure they have a dedicated integration with Shopify. ERP. Another important integration to consider is with ERP systems, as almost all enterprises use them. While some ERPs may have a small quality management segment, it's recommended to use a dedicated standalone enterprise quality management software. Many companies hesitate, fearing scattered data, but this can be resolved with integration. For instance, Isolocity integrates with Q80 ERP, one of the most popular ERPs, enabling daily synchronization of parts, suppliers, and customers from Q80 to Isolocity. Even if you use a different ERP, we can easily integrate with it as we already have the foundation in place. SSO. Microsoft Azure and Okta collectively hold a market share of around 45%. If your enterprise uses single sign-on (SSO), you'd expect it to be used for all logins, including for enterprise quality management software. Isolocity offers dedicated SSO integration with Azure and Okta, making this possible. When selecting an enterprise quality management software, ensure it integrates with Azure or Okta SSO. Open API. One of the most critical integrations is achieved through an open API. Regardless of the enterprise quality management software you choose, there will likely be some tools or platforms that don't integrate directly with the QMS. In such cases, an open API can simplify your life. This API allows you to integrate any platform with the enterprise quality management software and customize it according to your needs. You can find more information in the detailed documentation provided, Isolocity Open API. 4. User experience and user interface. Before making any decisions about your enterprise quality management system solution, we recommend testing the platform for a few days. If possible, seek assistance from the vendor to understand how easy it is to navigate and use. Consider whether the platform feels intuitive and if the user interface is straightforward enough for you to grasp all the elements. While these may seem like simple questions, the answers may not be as straightforward. Let's delve into specifics with the enterprise quality management software Isolocity. Here are some noteworthy elements from a UI and UX standpoint. Ease of use. Isolocity's navigation is straightforward, allowing you to create anything with just 2 clicks. The left-hand menu provides access to all modules, and the customizable dashboard displays critical information related to your processes. Visual appeal. Countless hours have been invested to ensure Isolocity's interface is visually appealing. It boasts a clean, clutter-free design with a white base, making it one of the most attractive software options in the industry. Speed and performance. Isolocity's software boasts an impressive uptime of 99.99%, with every line of code meticulously crafted by the team. Coupled with top-tier hosting services, the software loads exceptionally fast, meeting the demands of cloud QMS. These examples highlight the importance of considering the following points when evaluating the UI and UX of a software: ease of use, visual appeal, speed and performance, customization options, mobile responsiveness. 5. Support, training, onboarding. Implementing a robust quality management system is challenging. You need comprehensive support from your vendor for onboarding, including ensuring your system tracks all business metrics, training the responsible team, and providing timely assistance when required. Additionally, external audits may necessitate extra help. At Isolocity, we've streamlined this process. Simply generate a support request through our application, and someone will reach out within a couple of hours. Our average response time is 2 hours and 18 minutes, and we resolve 100% of concerns within 19 hours. We also provide training for your entire team and ensure you are fully settled with the software. 6. Pricing, one-time and ongoing. If you're part of the quality management operations team, this might not be your primary concern. However, if you're presenting this to your executives or the procurement team, it could be highly relevant. In most enterprises, procurement teams either run a bidding process or manually obtain quotes from companies. Typically, the process aims to select a vendor based on the L1, lowest quote, principle. Unfortunately, many vendors obscure the true costs within terms and conditions, leading to the selection of a vendor that is not genuinely L1. We are not suggesting that the L1 vendor is always the best choice, but from an ethical standpoint, it's fair for all vendors to disclose complete pricing information upfront. Here's how we operate compared to others. Pause the video and check the image. At first glance, the per admin per month cost of our competitor might appear more affordable. However, if your goal is to develop a scalable solution, you need to consider all ongoing requirements and their associated costs. For an average of 20 admins, the final cost of Isolocity will be less than 50% of that of the competitor's solution. Moreover, if you have more extensive plans, we offer a flat fee for our enterprise clients. This can provide a better deal in terms of overall cost and eliminate the hassle of repeated budget approvals. 7. Recognition, awards, feedback, and reputation. When making your choice, we advise setting aside any biases. Let us explain. Newer companies often have fewer reviews simply because their client base is smaller. Many awards and recognitions are based on the volume of reviews. Therefore, we encourage you to evaluate both quantitatively and qualitatively. If a provider has fewer reviews, which might disqualify them from certain awards or badges, don't dismiss them outright. Instead, examine the reviews they do have and consider what existing clients are saying. For example, Isolocity has an average rating of 4.8 out of 5, which is exceptional and among the highest in the industry. A closer look at the reviews reveals consistent high praise from clients. As a result, Isolocity received 4 badges from Capterra, Software Advice, and G2 this year. Check them out below. We recently wrote an interesting article on this topic, detailing the steps for shortlisting the best quality management software using platforms like G2, Software Advice, and Capterra. While most providers try to spoon-feed you specific names, we focus on guiding you through the right process so you can make an informed decision yourself. 8. Industry expertise. This situation can be confusing, and here's why. Technically, an enterprise quality management software doesn't need to specialize in any particular domain or industry. This is why we place less emphasis on this aspect. Consider this example: if you're searching for the best enterprise quality management software as a biomedical company, you'll encounter numerous vendors claiming to be the best QMS for biomedical companies. However, a closer look reveals they offer the same set of toolkits and features that any other QMS provides. They will still discuss standard functionalities like quality events, document management, and training. Unless they comply with specific regulatory requirements or have special features that significantly simplify the work of quality professionals in biomedical companies, these claims are merely marketing gimmicks. At Isolocity, we only mention industries on our website when one of the following conditions is met. Compliance with specific requirements. We are compliant with essential industry-specific requirements. For example, we comply with ITAR and CGP, which is why aerospace is listed as one of our core industries. Dedicated integrations. We offer specific integrations tailored for the industry, facilitating seamless data flow. For instance, we have integrations with various cannabis S2S, POS, and other companies to streamline data management. Industry expertise. We have in-house experts with extensive experience in that industry who can assist with quality management work. For example, one of our co-founders began his career in automotive, so we list automotive as a core industry. Similarly, we have employees with 2 decades of experience in the vape industry, which is why it is also listed. In summary, unlike others, we don't add industries to our website arbitrarily. 9. Continuous improvement. If you follow Isolocity, you know we've been discussing Isolocity 3.0 for some time now. As a company, we ensure our software is continually updated and improved. When considering an enterprise quality management software, it's important to review the different versions released over time. Look for significant changes in both functionality and visual design. If you see these improvements, it indicates that the company is committed to making their software the best it can be. If not, we would advise against choosing that software. Conclusion. We understand that this blog has been lengthy, and we won't keep you much longer. Selecting the best enterprise quality management software can indeed be challenging, and sometimes it's more effective to seek assistance directly from the vendor. You can create a questionnaire tailored to your requirements and reach out to the vendor to fill it out. If you'd like to consider Isolocity as your vendor, feel free to email us at info@isolocity.com. Alternatively, if you prefer a direct conversation, you can schedule a meeting with one of our product specialists here. Talk to a product specialist. We wish you the best of luck in your search for the ideal enterprise quality management software.